Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of our Lowdown while on lockdown. My name is Alyssa and today I'm sharing with you the Bellhop Bollard as well as the Bellhop Surface Mount Outdoor Family from Flos Lighting. Alright, so this year Flos Lighting introduced a full outdoor collection that gives us an array of wall mounts, some outdoor bollards, a few outdoor spots, some floor lamps, as well as grid and marker lights. I highly encourage you to check out their website at this link that you see on my screen to see the full collection. The Bellhop exterior collection was inspired by the lamp that some of you may actually already be familiar with in Floss's decorative collection. Fun fact, while I was doing some research on this product, the Bellhop actually gets its name from the bell used to call bellhops at hotels. And I figured since none of us know what a hotel is anymore, we might as well bring the Bellhop into our lighting life. This family comes with a wall mount version as well as a surface ceiling mount. It projects 4.9 inches and is 4.9 inches in diameter with a 2.15-inch stem. This product family comes with a dedicated 8-watt LED and delivers up to 873 lumens. It offers you 80 CRI in 27, 3000, or 4000K. This fixture gives us an 85-degree beam of soft, symmetric light. The Bellhop is IP65 rated and you have multiple finishes to select from, including stainless steel. The product I actually have in-house that I've been playing with this week is the Bellhop Bollard. And this bollard comes in two different sizes, a 33.5-inch height as well as a 15-inch height. Still 4.9 inches in diameter and has that same 8-watt LED engine. This Bollard is perfect for walkways or planters. It's really not meant to be too loud or too extrovert in your application. It's really meant to add a little bit of character while giving you a very soft glow of light under the base of the fixture. So that includes my quick presentation on the Bellhop family. If anybody would like to see this product live, we can definitely get you a sample. Richard, our great regional sales manager, has a sample in Seattle. I currently have the sample that I did a little mock-up with that you're seeing in these images here. I think it does a really beautiful job. This product, you can see on my left-hand image, it's fully luminous. You do not see individual diodes because that is a completely opal lens that they have on this fixture. So I think that that's what gives it this very soft glow. You know, it does its job, but it still has a little bit of an architectural detail with it, which I think is great. So if anybody has any other questions, please reach out to your CTEC Lighting representative and we'll be happy to help. Thank you and have a wonderful day.